Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about Mojo programming language, a relatively new language that is causing quite a stir in the programming community. Something flying around that is going to kill Python. And I'm here to give you an introduction to this exciting new language and what it has to offer. Basically, this has been launched, Mojo has been launched by a company called Modular, which is based in California, whose work is to design a platform for AI developers. So actually they design an ecosystem for them. Okay, so they want that AI developers can develop easy, fast and increase the performance of AI model. Actually, Mojo is a superset of Python. Like they had mentioned in this Mojo programming language having an extension of like fire, right? Actually, it is a usability of Python with the performance of C. Like we can say usability of Python with the speed of C. A programming language for AI developers that aims to combine Python usability and full compatibility, or we can say compatibility with the Python ecosystem with C performance, right? So it is not going to take your Python and probably take separately and combine them. Actually, that is not going to happen. They are actually using, actually it is a superset of Python. So on top of Python, they are using all the functions of the Python and adding the speed of the C. As we also know that Python is slow, and obviously it is a little bit slow when compared to the programming language. We can talk about the C++. So if you get all the features of Python like modular coding, all functionality it has with the speed of C, actually it will help us to develop our AI model very fast, even develop our application very quickly. Actually, I can when we can move in this, see they are having a softmax. See, this is the Python code. Actually this is running the Python code, and this is the modular Mojo softmax dot having extension with the lit, right? This is the thing. When I move, you can see here, actually language integrated auto tuning here, right? Auto tuning means like it will automatically find the best values of your parameters to take advantage of your target hardware, right? Based on your system, you can provide the auto tuning. So based on the performance, based on the system configuration, you can auto tune how many cores you want to use and how much RAM you want to use, right? There are some speciality of this Mojo. Let me take you. They are claiming up to 35,000x faster than Python, right? So let's say they had used this Python 3.1.0, right? Actually they had run this algorithm Mandelbrot, and actually Python 3.10.9 takes 1027 second, right? They used PyPy, then it taken 46.1 second. When they use a scalar C++, 0.20 second. When they run in the Mojo, right, it takes only 0.03 second. It means 35,000 faster, right, than Python. There are something called Mojo here, which we can deploy the we can develop environment, right? They had developed a hosted, let me check, hosted, so that you can use, you can use with the play with the Mojo, right? So they had created a hosted development environment to try out the Mojo, and at the Mojo has a playground. So to get this, you must first of all sign up, then you need the access, right? You first have to sign up, then you will get the access, then you can play with the Mojo. They will provide you something called they will provide you something called notebook, like this type. After that you will get the success. I am also in the lineup, then I will make a video on it, how it's working. You can also use like Matplotlib, NumPy, everything we use in Java we can use here. In Python, which we use like Matplotlib, NumPy, everything we can use. See, in the Python there was a single thread execution. In Mojo there are parallel processing across the multiple cores. So if there is a hype in the market ki should we stop learning Python? It is my opinion, not I am saying like they had claimed. It's my opinion. Actually it is on the top of Python, so it will not blow Python in 1 or 2 days, right? In 1 or 2 years. It will take time. New features that are going to be added in this module are going to take time. How fast it is, we'll see when it will be launched fully in the public version. After that we will start using it, right? If everything goes fine, yes, it has a chance that we may use it for the many things. These are the things. So there are some various things here you can try out. There are, let me see, read the docs. Let's open the documentation, why Mojo, everything. Okay, there are programming manual. So here is a Mojo is a programming language that is easy to use as Python, but with the performance of C++ and Rust, right? In the Rust, memory leakage, right? Memory management has done like this type. So Mojo achieve this feat of utilization next generation compiler technologies. You can see here, Mojo is designed to become a superset of Python over time by preserving Python dynamic features while leading new primitive. So I will show you one thing I had seen in the Python. Sorry, this is the Python code. See, late keyword look like JavaScript, where like there is a in Python we do not declare variable having data types, right? But here we can declare in this. So you can see some of its, you can check here some of the things. So this is basically the Mojo programming language, but you can't stop learning Python, right? You have to learn. See, a structure ND array, it's using C. In C there is a structure key, a structure, right, concept. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.